Hi.
Okay, read na.
I like to help Mom make lunch. Sometimes it eats turkey or ham. But my favorite lunch
Lunch of all
of all is
is
peanut
butter.
and strawberry jam.
Galit ka? Galit ka po? Next po.
When I arrive at school, I give my teacher a shiny gadget. Apples are delicious.
She says,
And this one looks juicy and sweet.
next. Excuse me po, aray.
Okay.
Next page. Okay, go.
We meet in the school cafeteria. My friends and I sit for lunch.
Trading.
Trading or cookies and pudding. We are a hungry bunch.
Shut up. Next. Last na to ha.
I like sharing meals with friends. It is a fun part of my day. When I finish my
Chocolate.
chocolate
Pudding.
pudding. When I finish my chocolate
Pudding.
pudding,
It.
it will be time to run and play.
Tingin. Tingin nga ako face. Okay, bye.
Bye.